Alright, so what's up fellow YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to reverse a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's super easy and super fast, so let's go ahead and open up Premiere Pro. Alright, so I just have a clip right here of me holding a leaf and I'm just going to drop it. So I'm just going to show you guys. Alright, so super simple, super simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and select a clip, go ahead and right click. Go up to speed and duration. Uh, you don't really have to worry about speed, and you don't have to worry about time interpolation, unless you want to alter the speed and unless you want to alter um, the flow of the video and everything. But I wouldn't worry about them. This is what you want right here. Reverse speed. Go ahead and check reverse speed. Hit OK. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to render it. So just to optimize the smoothness of it. Alright, so we went ahead and rendered it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and play the reverse back for you guys. Which is pretty cool in my opinion, because it looks like the leaf just appears, just floats into his hand. Like he's got the force or something. That's pretty cool. So guys, that's pretty much about it. Like I said before, just click on the right click on the clip, go up to speed and duration, and then check reverse speed, and you're all ready to go. Alright guys, let me know down below what you guys thought of this tutorial. Let me know if there's any questions. Also, let me know some more things I can do for you guys on Premiere Pro, tutorial wise, because I'm starting to run out of ideas. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new.